Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about Emmy Noether. Who is she? She was born in 1882 in Germany and died in 1935 in Pennsylvania. Her family was very concentrated on scholarship. Her father was mathematics teachers at the University of Erlangen, and two of her three brothers were scientists. Her life challenge was to make complete studies while being a woman. Many institutions refuse her because of her gender, and because of this reason she has been teaching mathematics for a long time because she couldn't continue her studies, and she became a member of the Deutsche Mathematiker Vereinigung. Emmy Noether is one of the most famous female mathematicians. She made important contributions to modern algebra, analysis, and mathematical physics. But today we are interested by knowing more about the invariant theory and the ideals theory. The invariant theory is pretty simple. An invariant is something that is left unchanged by some class of functions. In particular, invariant theory studied quantities which were associated with polynomial equations and which were left invariant under transformation of the variables. So if a function is changing, his invariant will never change. For example, the discriminant b power 2 minus 4ac is an invariant of the quadratic form following. So if this form has transformation, its discriminant b power 2 minus 4ac would never change. And even Einstein used it for his general theory of relativity. So he took some formulation from several concepts of Emmy Noether's theory to do some work. The other theory is the ideals theory, which can also be called the ring theory or the Noetherian ring theory. So to understand this theory, we need to know what is a ring in the algebra. So it's a set with two operations used for generalizing integer arithmetic. So for example, it's real numbers, real matrices, integers. It's only simplest thing that we already know. The Noetherian rings is something that for sure Emmy Noether invented. So ring A is called Noetherian if four things are respected. So the first thing is every non-empty set of ideals of A has a maximal element. Number two, every ascending chain of ideals is stationary. 3, every ideals of A is finitely generated. And 4, both sides are Noetherian. So the left side of the chain and the right side of the chain has to be Noetherian for the ring to be Noetherian. These are simple examples of Noetherian rings. So in the second example, you can see that it's continue and increasing. So it's a set of integers equipped with the usual integer addition and integer multiplication. So it respects all the criteria. In conclusion, she developed modern algebra and the physics area, and Albert Einstein even called her the most significant and creative female in the mathematics world. And in 1970, all Noether's work has been published. So you can see that she has been able to make her name and her reputation, even if she was a woman in the field of mathematics.